Dang it. Oh, hey, Hannah.
How are you?
Oh, I'm doing good. Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
That's okay.
Let's see. Okay, let's do this. Have you looked at the group quiz?
Yeah, I figured out 2. I haven't figured out too much of 1. And I'm still looking at 3.
Okay. I don't even understand the question to 3.
I'm gonna fundamental theory and see what I can find.
So let's see. I can help you with 1. I can do 1. So I'm gonna screen share desktop, start screen share. Present everyone. Okay. Let's not do that.
Fundamental identity. That makes a difference.
Where is it? There we go. Okay. So all you have to do is list the transformations.
Yeah.
So this dot right here would originally be on 0, 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's moved pi divided by 2, 1 to the right. So that would be the answer for C would be pi divided by 2. And then D would be 2 because it's 2 up right there. Does that make sense so far? And then this line right here should be pi 1. So, and it's all the way up at 5. So it's stretched by 3. So A would be 3.
Yeah.
And then in the homework, I never saw anything being stretched like horizontally.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm guessing B would just be 2.
Yeah. I'm not sure about these, sorry.
No, you're good. Have you done section 3's homework yet?
I have not. So far today I've been writing a paper for my English class, so I haven't looked at this just yet. I just did 2.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So yeah, that's if you go in section 3, like starting out, I think it's questions like 7, 8, and 9.
Yeah.
Have to do with this. And
Yeah.
so, what's the word for it? I don't know why I forgot it. But it makes like this kind of motion where it goes like this dot should start at 0, 0.
Yeah.
And then without stuff being stretched or moved up or down, it should just go 1 to 1, back to 0, negative 1, back to 0, plus 1. Yeah. And so whatever is at A is going to vertically stretch it. So if it's stretched by 2, it would start at 0, 0. Then it would go up to 2. Then it'd go down to 0. Then it'd go down to negative 2, and so on. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Gotcha. B, I'm guessing, is horizontal stretching. C is how far it's translated left or right.
Mm-hmm.
And then D is where it's translated up or down.
Okay.
What did you get for 2?
I got plus or minus. Does that make sense? Does plus or minus make sense? I don't know. The square root of 21 over 25. It might just be just plus, not a minus.
The square root of 21 over 5?
25.
Gotcha. So super close. For 2, the question, it says less than 0.
Oh,
so
yeah,
it just
plus.
Yes, and then it's only, and then you would write it, I guess, square root of 21 over the square root of 25, or you could just, like in the math, it'd have you write square root of 21 over 5.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. Now 3.
So I looked up some, what's that word? Table of trigonomic identities, which I don't know if that's like the right things, but it talks about that sine square plus cosine square equals 1, or tan square, tangent plus 1 equals, I can't remember what SEC stands for. So but it just has us write it back in, so we have to write two functions for cosine x equals in terms of sine x. So going here, I wonder if you have to do like, I don't know. Like there's one that's like, I don't know if this makes sense. No, but I'm like thinking more.
Can you show me what you're thinking on screen share?
Yeah, I might jump through a bunch of tabs because I have like 1.5 million things open for my paper.
No, that's okay.
Which one is it again? Oh, here it is. All right. Is it working at all or is it not? I can't tell.
Yeah.
It says so can you see like this table of trigonomic identities page?
Yeah.
I was wondering if you have to write, because how like this one equals cosine, like if we had to write it but make it equal sine.
Oh.
If that makes any sense, because that's kind of what it sounds like.
In terms of sine A, indicate which formula to use for the given value of A. Use fundamental identity. And sorry, just talk again so I can see what you have pulled up.
Oh, sorry, I just went to something else.
Oh, no worries.
Not where it's trying to go. Oh, yay, it's not going anywhere.
I'm going to consult the math book.
Fundamental identities.
Okay, so go ahead and talk.
So
Oh, never mind. You don't even need to talk. You can pull it up.
what?
Nothing. I was getting frustrated because it wouldn't pull up unless you were talking, but I could just click on the screen and it'll stay up. Basic and Pythagorean identities. I don't understand. So what would we put for number 3?
put it in terms of sine. But this almost makes me think you have to do like in the first one, like how we had to turn that equation into 1 minus cosine x equals sine x. Like, I don't know if that's what they want. Because there's like one equation that equals, let me find it. That doesn't make sense. I'm trying to find another one that might equal cosine, but I'm not seeing anything. So I'd
Like-
better.
Are you talking about like how sine of A can equal square root of 1 divided by 2, and then the cosine is 3 square root divided by 2? Is that what you're talking about?
What? What do you mean?
I don't know. That's like the closest thing I have to guess for number 3.
Identity with you. I just don't know what she means.
Yeah. I feel like a lot of people probably won't understand exactly what she means on this one.
So, I can't imagine she means like, because this identity is for sums and difference of two angles. I can't imagine that she wants us to make this equation. It's like cosine of x plus or minus some fancy looking b, which I don't remember what that means, equals cosine of x times cosine of the b plus or minus sine of x times sine of b. I can't imagine she wants us to like take that equation and like flip everything around so it's like sine of x equals and then like the equation in the opposite way, if that makes any sense. I'm trying to say that.
No, I get what you're saying. Yeah, I'm with you. I don't know if she's right.
I just don't know if that's what she means. Like, that's when I read it, that's what I get out of that.
Yeah. Use the fundamental identity to write two functions in A and in terms.
Also, now I see that says in items.
Yeah, I know.
Like,
I know.
what is in
In terms, assign A. They indicate which formula to use for a given value of A. I don't know.
sharing my screen? Stop. I don't know like what to do about that. Like all the way down here, sorry.
Hey, question. You're in Idaho, right?
Yeah.
How cold is it there right now?
I'm trying to look. I can look it up. It was kind of warm today.
Really? It was like 100 degrees in Arizona today.
It wasn't 100 degrees warm, but it was probably like 50. Oh, it says right now it's 60.
That's funny.
And the high, it's over. It doesn't say what the high was for today.
Gotcha. Okay, I'm looking everywhere in the book and I'm not finding anything that
Yeah.
makes sense of
Maybe
it.
we're like missing something, and
That's the hard part. Is like I never like I know we're supposed to get homework done by the end of the week, but I feel like if you don't have your homework done, then you don't understand what's going on in the group quiz, and
yeah.
so like I'm nervous that it's like the like I haven't even touched the fourth section yet. I don't know. Um, but I'll try and figure it out some more. If you could try and figure it out, awesome.
Yeah, maybe
Uh,
I can. I can shoot her an email. She replies really fast emails.
yeah, she's very good at that.
So
Yeah, shoot her an email, and then I'll keep doing some research, and I'll wait to turn it in until later tonight.
yeah, okay. Let me do that real quick. So I know.
Sounds good. Um, well, hey, have fun at your other meeting, and we'll stay in touch and make sure you get this turned in tonight.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, have a good night. Bye.